Clifton and Martin are getting these are some rocks that were taken out when we did our courtyard. We may actually have enough. I feel like we have so many.
You want a waterfall or just a rimsai?
Did you hurt yourself?
Hier ist einer, der ist aber zu unförmig. Die beiden sind zu klein. Man könnte ja sowas, das ist ja einigermaßen gerade, aber ja, das ist geil. Müssen dann sowieso sehen, wie wir die vor Ort
Platzieren. Ich kann dir gerne eine Pflaster holen. Show us your Wunde for Grandma and Grandpa. Come on, show Grandma and Grandpa your poor little hand. Oh, wait. It's got to focus. Yes, he squished his fingers. So, we are starting today. As you see, it's a family endeavor. Got my two strong men here. Not sure what was done.
So it's not me, it's him and him.
And we're going to start on this waterfall. Woo, woo, woo! I'm actually wondering if we should take all the rocks on this side up to lift up his cage. Oh, wait, no.
Das war der Anfang, wo das Rohr ist. Naja, jetzt muss man das freimachen lassen. Muss halt aufpassen, dass der Kuppel das Ende des Rohres. Siehst du das? Siehst du das? Ja, genau da.
Yeah, but just don't try not to put on top of it. I don't see that well. Although I guess it will somewhat be covered up by rocks. I wouldn't take away too much.
Das passt. Gut,
Aren't they adorable?
Ja, bis nachher. Ciao.
Is Toby cold?
Yeah.
Toby, baby, you should go get a hat, your Mutsushai, you know? So that you're not so cold, babe. It's too wide here, then
So
what?
if it's too wide here, then the water distributes over more width, which makes it not as heavy of a waterfall. So if this is narrow, then there's more.
It's a
The
more
same
concentrated flow.
same water needs to go through a needle hole, so
Yeah.
to speak.
Yeah.
So that's why I think, and then you can have the big boulder here and here, and even if the water comes here, but it needs to, it needs to condense, and then you have a better waterfall, in my opinion. Rather than if you have the stone like this, or a different stone, and you have a wide, and then with the water it just trickles down here, rather than having a real waterfall. But you are the water feature expert. Yeah, of course.
I don't know.
Here,
I
show
don't really
you.
like that.
Come here.
I
So,
understand your argument.
if you have,
I understand your argument. But I just don't like that rock. And I feel like
the water's running on above it and on it, and it will get cleaner. Martin, here, das ist Putz.
it'll get cleaner. Come help you in just a second.
So which stone would you choose?
Yeah, I would have done a wide one.
I start with my one now.
Okay, well hold on. We gotta get closer.
Die Plane, ja. Ziemlich mittig, oder was?
Yeah. This one is just so angled in like this.
Now, your problem is that this dimension is too long, in your opinion.
No, it's just
Because
that-
then
no,
you need
it's the-
just as long as a stone on either side, so that you're blocking off the whole sides
No,
here.
I just don't like how I don't like the proportions. I don't like that it's so deep and then so skinny. Okay, then show me what you're thinking for the other two rocks.
Well, I haven't selected them yet, but So which side then to the water?
Yeah, oh, it just looks so fake.
What
It
looks
just
fake?
looks so cut. Not that side to the water. This side right up here that I'm seeing with the waterfall looks,
Ja, dann machen wir das da nicht. Deswegen
looks
frage
like
ich,
it was cut with the saw.
deswegen frag ich doch, welche Seite.
You know which rock I really liked? The one I really liked.
So?
Where's the one I really liked?
Das ist doch nicht.
Where's that really
Just-
flat round one?
We need to do something different here.
Where is... Yes, that is perfect.
So.
How's that perfect?
Okay. That one actually looks natural as well. It doesn't look like some machine cut it. Very good.
So now like this one.
Yeah. With that side up against the other rock,
Diese Seite
Ja.
an die hintere gerade Seite.
for example. Or here. to the right.
Naja, das ist dann wieder. Hier ist die höhere Seite.
Oh yeah, you're right. So it's coming
Dann
out.
muss das
yeah.
eigentlich dahin.
Yeah. Is Martin over here? So what we learned from Garden Answer is that we need one middle stone that the water runs over and two framing stones that are higher on each side. So that's why we've got this middle one. This is the one that the water runs over, and we're going to have to do some foam in between it to make sure that the water doesn't run through. And then we have we have one big rock here, and we'll put another big rock right here to direct the water over this lower one. Wait. I don't like it.
Oh, it's so
No, but seriously,
It's totally fine. It is totally
terrible.
fine.
It's
You don't find a better stone.
like the two other ones are like way bigger than the one.
yeah,
in
it's
the
supposed
middle.
to be.
supposed to be
That
that
is
way.
supposed
But
to be
that
that way.
kinda looks
But
weird.
seriously, I do think the one on the left doesn't look so good. Still.
Yeah.
You don't find a better
Come over
one.
here and look at it from where I'm standing. And this wall here. Where is it?
Aber da kannst du die Seite nicht abdecken.
Let me look. Ja, ich weiß nicht. The other
Da haben wir
one,
auch noch welche.
yeah, maybe we can use that for one of the back ones. Don't take it too far away, but I really think it's not the right one for up front.
so that this side touches.
Okay, show me. I can't. I don't know.
Envision it.
I envision. I'm envisioning.
Well, if I'm moving that, it's
Yes.
just a hard thing to do.
Okay, I think that will work, but I can't say 100% yes. You said that this is a natural curve that, like, when the water is hollowed out, so now that would be on the outside.
No, not the water hold out, but that kind of, this is the rock formation. The water can basically wash this out.
I don't like that edge.
You have a steep edge here, the pond is here.
Okay. Alright, show me. I think so, but I have to see it.
you have the steepness that you need so that there's water level here.
Yeah. I don't like that edge. I like the rest of it though, so let's see how it looks.
I will move stones 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. You know how heavy those are?
Oh, so I'm having you do it.
You're funny.
Sorry.
Super funny.
I don't think you've got enough room there now that I see it over there. Oh dear. Should I do something?
I don't see where the edge of the stone is.
Yeah, you're on it. It's not, yeah.
Ist hier diese Seite des Steins. Ja, dadurch kriegst du es nie höher als das hier. Und das hier ist gerade Water.
I hope you got that on the video. If we found another Stege that, opposite Stege.
Aber was ist, wenn du den genau andersrum drehst?
No. I like this one. It looks really nice this way. It's got such a pretty face right there. And this, then I'm afraid you'll also have trouble with me filling in this edge because this edge is...
Ja, ich sehe das ja, aber...
What if we flip this one upside down so that this side was laying over this side? Then you wouldn't see what I fill in the gap there. Do you know what I'm saying? Or another rock that's got such a shaved away angle.
Den findest du ja nicht.
Okay, then maybe this one.
Huh? Maybe what?
Then flipping this one upside down, the shaved away angle up against this. And then when I fill it in the black stuff, this will be covering up, you won't see it.
Du willst jetzt den hier irgendwie so schräg dran setzen?
I want to flip this one upside down and make this on top of this.
What? This on top of... I don't understand.
Okay. This is a mirror image of this.
No, it's not.
It's just the other direction, which is, it's just, we have to flip it over. I think if you flip this upside down and put this shaved away on this shaved away, that it forms a little bit of a matching, and I can sprühen then von unten alles voll. And that's why I said if we found another piece that's got a bit of a angle to it like this, maybe this angle is maybe a little bit too sharp. I don't know. We'll see. Just maybe this would work. Exactly. I believe it. Hold on. Like that. Yes. Maybe just leave it. Let me look. That might be perfect. Okay, it might be fine. I don't think it will be. No, I don't think I'm going to like that. So we have. Let's
Kannst
look
du dich für einen Satz entscheiden?
Yeah, I just don't want you to lift it.
In the same sentence.
I don't want you to
position yourself in two different.
I don't want you to lift it in there, and I have this very strong feeling I'm going to hate it, and then you're going to be mad at me.
Let me just gather my strength so that you lift it, and then you can look at it and just...
Okay, but you're not allowed to be mad if I don't like it.
Obviously, that's why I need to gather my strength so that I have strength thereafter.
Okay, I really don't.
I'm not going anywhere.
Do it. You want me to get Martin? I like it.
Okay, I leave it that way.
No, you do have to scoot it. But I do like it. Yeah, I like that.
Whatever falls down is just be bordered by bigger stones so that it actually falls down and not goes to the side.
And that's what I'm saying. It can't go to the side here or here.
Well, so it's not going to be because it falls into the pool and the pool level is here.
I think we're talking. I don't think you understand what I'm saying. I think you don't. It's
no,
fine.
I don't understand you. That's my problem. For 13 years.
Okay, so.
More than that.
I was about to say 13 years. Alles klar. Totally level this thing out. May I make a wish?
No.
Can we take everything that we take off the top here and put it on the sides?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing anyway.
Okay.
You have seen that I'm doing it.
We just have to communicate.
Do like a little folding pattern here because then we have all this thing and then falling into the pond.
Okay. Okay, so Olivia's out here. She just brought bunches and bunches of bags out that we have been storing in the garage. And these bags are filled, I don't know if y'all can see this, with beautiful rocks. Stay here. Hold their bag. I'm going to hold a couple. Just hold it on the bottom. Yeah. These are filled with beautiful rocks that we collected from the Baltic Sea on our vacations. I don't know if you can see this very well, but this bag is filled with red stones. Yeah, red stones. I don't know if you would call this. Anyway, each bag has different colors. We'll have to see how we do this, but these are we're going to use in the little pools of our waterfall. So Olivia's brought these all out here, and we're going to, as soon as we're sure we've got the waterfall the way we want it, we're going to fill in the pools with these beautiful rocks. Christian just laid the last stone. This is our figure 8 that we were. Yeah. This is our figure 8 we were aiming for. Here's a pool, and here's a pool. The water comes, you can't see it, but my hose is coming out right here.
Yeah, I know, I see.
I'm talking to the camera. So it's going to come out right here. It's going to fill a pool here with water, spill over this stone, fill a pool here with, this is what we're hoping. Fill a pool here with water, spill over that stone, and go into our pool, into our swimming pool. Okay.
And what's the second?
We have to fill up, and Kostan thinks he's done, but he's not.
Oh, I need a break.
Mom?
Hang on. we're going to fill these 2 little pools now with our beautiful stones from the Baltic Sea, and I need an artistic person, creative person to help me know which colors to put where. Yes, babe.
What is that under the stone there?
What is that under the stone? I'm not sure.
That's
Bubbles? Bubbles? You mean the bubbles?
I missed the bubbles.
Okay, I'm not going to walk here right now.
That's here.
Okay. Oh, yeah, that's what that is. We have a little pump in there that's pumping all the water, making the water go up through this hose, down to the black thing, cleaning the water, and coming through the back, down our waterfall.
Oh, that's not special class too.
Yeah. So, I would like, we are not going to be able to finish the waterfall today completely because the waterfall foam that we spray between each rock has to be warm over a certain temperature to be able to use it, and we don't have those temperatures yet. So as soon as it's nice temperatures, then I will use it. But we do not have to wait for a weekend for that, but we had to wait for a weekend for Christian to be here to do this. Yay!
Here they are, Toby and Mama putting in stones in our water feature.
Now I'm a little hopeful that I do this part, get this part right away. I'm supposed to put this over this. I'm going to screw this onto here. Okay. I'll shake a little bit more for good measure. I'm supposed to hold it upside down, and it's on YouTube, one person said that the first squirt that comes out is always like this huge explosion of squirt, so do that somewhere where it's not going to be very visible. I think I'm going to make a mess. We'll see. Let's see, where's a spot that's not very visible? I don't know. It's all visible. Alright, I'm just going to stick it down in one of these holes and give it a shot. Kind of nervous. Here we go. And I'm supposed to fill up the holes a third of the way because this is expanding foam. I've never done anything like this before. We will see how it goes. Ooh. That is a satisfying noise. Oh my goodness. Okay, stop coming out. Stop coming out. Okay. Now, they did say I could take it like a rock oops, and try to smear. But you know what? I think I'm just going to leave it because you can always cut it away later, they said. All right, can you see what I'm doing? You may want to get behind me a little bit.
Maybe.
Now I'm going all the way around, and this will keep on expanding, it said. Now going... Oh, that was Toby. Okay. I'm going to go all the way around the perimeter of the inside. And... oh my goodness. This is so cool. And scary at the same time. Oh, stop. Okay. My concern is oh my goodness. I'm really not wanting to have to order a second bottle of this. So, oh my goodness, it comes out so fast. Okay. And even after you stop squirting, it keeps on coming out of it.
Ist es an?
Oh. Careful, it's slippery.
Wie fühlt sich das an?
Ah, ist schön
So
irgendwie.
Daumen waren meine Praxis.
So, all this gunk in the bottom of our pool, we've got to get out. Toby, es ist nicht schlimm.
Damit Mama den Schaum da reinsprühen kann, weil sonst hätten die Steine am Schaum geklebt.
Oh,
Warum ist das so schlimm, wenn die da von kriegen? Hast du jetzt eigentlich all den schon fertig gemacht worden?
almost. I would need to do some, I think, here from the bottom still if I brought it back out with me now.
Also kriegst du es heute fertig?
I hope so.
Wie ist da ein
Und
Apfel
dann könnt ihr heute
reingekommen?
schon das Wasser reinfüllen?
Da war ein
Probably
Apfel.
not.
Literally, da war ein Apfel drin.
Really?
Ja, guck mal, ist da drunter.
Willst du eine behauene Seite
Martin,
nach
can you
außen
come around
oder
here and
eine,
take this one?
oder eine unbehauene Seite nach außen?
If it doesn't matter either way, then an unbehauene nach außen.
Cool. Ja, da ist so viel glitterige Sachen. Werde ich unten duschen?
No. Downstairs shower isn't finished yet.
Okay, heute morgens ziehe ich aber nicht wieder diese Clothes an. Die riechen dann so oft.
Yeah.
Oh, schöne Welt. Schöne Welt.
Okay, Martin.
Martin, come in here and help us.
So now Martina and I have gone all the way around the perimeter of the waterfall. We've completely, except for this one spot, because we're going to make sure it works after the rest of the foam, my foam touch-up job has dried. We completely buried the edges of the tarp, the pond tarp, in dirt, and packed that tarp in so that there's no way any water can come out the perimeter. And now I'm going to start going around the sides, and I've got quite a few seeds planted for little plants that are going to just crawl all along the ground here and kind of hide the not so pretty spots like that where my foam, oh wait, it's not sharp, there, where my foam is sort of crept up. That's going to be hid by plants. But just so it has a more natural, soft appearance, I'm going to go ahead and get some little plants that I've already got growing in my little flower beds, and just sort of start fitting them into some of these little crevices between the rocks. And why once my seedlings that I planted I don't know, like 60 or 70 flowers. A lot of them like a carpet type flower. Anyway, when those have gotten a little stronger, they're about this big right now. When they're a little bit hardier, I'm going to transplant them. And it's a little bit warmer out here. We have a nice warm day today, but we also still have some cold nights, and it's sort of a rule here in Germany not to plant stuff that will be killed by the frost until after like May the 15th. So I'm going to wait another week or two and transplant all that stuff out here. But right now, let's get some little stuff from my little gardens, Miss Olivia. And go ahead and get some stuff going out here. Okay, here we go.
That is going to look nice. I think so.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Man sieht halt nicht, wo es durchfließt.
I like how the...
Speak English and German.
I like how the pretty stones look.
Yeah, I do.
Me
But
too.
The water's a little bit dirty.
Yeah, it'll get cleaned out. That's what the filter part is for, that's down in there. The big box.
Yeah, das
Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Yeah, it's gonna get fuller and then start coming down the middle as well.
yeah.
Oh, I love the sound already.
When the waterfall. Like the stones back there aren't going to get wet. Oh.
So pretty.
That looks so pretty.
I love it. Yeah, I'll move that. I'll tear out that leftover foam that came out the bottom, but
I love it.
I think it's better than last time. What do you think?
You know what I think?
No, Papa.
No, I mean, do you know
Yeah,
what I
no,
think
what do you think?
that we could do with these stones? We could like do the foam
Careful,
stuff
babe.
with rocks we summon in the future.
Careful, babe. What you doing? Oh, that was something stuck.
Nein. War bloß so voll nass.
That is so lovely. I am very happy. What do you guys think?
It's amazing. It's so amazing.
Tobes, I got flowers there now, babe. I'd rather you not. I'd rather... It's bugging you that it's only coming down the one side. So me and Olivia planted, you can't see them all, but we planted, oh, I don't know, probably even 100 little tiny spring bulbs that will next spring bloom. Purple. No, pink we didn't have many of, but yeah, purple and pink. This is our purple and pink spot. And a bit of white.